challenge. Riviere, I think, is okay. Manchester City player, the first in the book. See that back, that there's any real cause for complaint. Stay in the equation. Riviere was... Robert Villahan will just be hoping. It's Jayde Riviere. Quarter of the game. Jayde Riviere. Did in their last 4 league games. Competitions away from making it a 13th win for United. Coming on for Jayde Riviere, she is. So Riviere limps off, and Aoife Mannion is on as United look to get themselves home and hosed. So the Canadian replaced by the Irish defender.